Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Bloodhound from the new game Apex Legends. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin, we're gonna start out drawing the eye area first. So it's just gonna be basically two circles. Draw one, and then on the other side we're gonna draw the same thing. So these are they're kind of large. Okay, and then from this circle we're just gonna give it a slight border. So this one's easy. We just gotta draw another circle inside. Alright, and then from there we're gonna go up and start working on I guess you call it a hat. So right in the middle here you can make a little dot. I'm just gonna slant up right around to the outside of the eye area. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up and just come back down. So just give it a little bit of thickness here. Okay, so once you have that, we're gonna extend this line. So this is gonna be, I guess, the top section of the hat. It goes out quite a bit. And then we're gonna go up here. Just draw an angle like this. So this is almost like a diamond shape. Okay, and then from here, let's add in some details on the top. Just add in two lines coming down. And then this is just gonna go out to the side with the same slant as that on the bottom. Okay, and then in the middle, just lastly, just one more little stripe. I know this character has a lot of details, so I'm trying to simplify it. And then on the top here, I'm just gonna add in a little bit of these, I know he's got a lot of little strands, so I'm just gonna add these little spikes. Alright, so from here, let's move on down to his mouthpiece here. So right here, I'm just gonna draw like a little curve right in between. And then on the side here, right underneath the eye, I'm just gonna go straight down. And then I'm gonna round it off. And then right in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle. And I'm gonna add a couple of lines inside. And then to finish off some detail, I'm just gonna draw another line, same thing as the one on top. And then just go up. Okay, and then on the side here, just kind of round it off. I'm not sure what all these things are, but it's got a lot of little gears on the face. And then I'm gonna add in just a couple of dots. All right, and then now we can finish out the side of the face here. So on the side, we're just gonna keep it simple. We'll flare out right around the eye area, and then we'll just come back in straight into the this little rounded part here. And then to add a little bit of detail, I'm just gonna come down here and just go back in here again. So just adding in a couple new layers. And then on top here, you can add a little bit more detail, just a little angle. Alright, so it's a very strange looking hat or face mask. And it's got these little beads that kind of come down. So I'm just gonna draw two. Just gonna draw like a little stick. Okay, and you can add in more detail if you want. Yeah, I guess we can just a little bit more section on the bottom. Alright, so let's not go too crazy with this because again, there's a lot of details on this, and so we have to figure out a way to simplify it. So now let's draw in the body. So for his shoulders here, we're gonna come back up. And this is gonna slant out quite a bit. It's got large shoulder pads. And in the middle here, come straight down first. And then on the side, we're just gonna come in past this. And then connect that. Okay, so those are the shoulder pads. And then in the middle here, just gonna draw one curve because it's got some tubing going on. And then right after that curve, I'm gonna draw another one. So that's gonna be one tube. And then let's add in one more. So it looks like he's got 2 tubes. Alright, and then now let's finish up the body here. So his body, we're just gonna come down to the side. It's gonna be his waist, and let's just close that off. And then right on the bottom here, we'll just draw a little round shape. Looks like some kind of armor piece. Alright, and then inside here it's got 3 pouches. So I'm gonna draw just one like this first at an angle. And then once you have one, we're just gonna go up. Let's draw one more here. And then one more on the bottom. And then for the flaps here, let's draw a little line like this. And this one could be a little bit different. Just round that off. And then let's add in the little buttons. And then after we have this, there's a little bit of another armor piece inside. So I'm just gonna draw a curve going all the way around. I know it looks kind of odd. And then from here, I put in some dots here because these two are the same kind of material. Alright, and then to finish off the body here, I'm just gonna add another padding here. So on the side, let's come out to the side and then go up. Out, let's go up, and then I'll add in 2 little, I don't know, looks like some kind of screws, bolts. Okay, and then for before we work on the arm, I'm just gonna add in one more section. It's got some cloth that kind of hangs down, so just kind of flare this one out. Come back to the middle of this, come down. And then we'll just close that off. Alright, so now let's work on the arm. So for the arm, I'm gonna come right around here. This is armpit. This shoulder is gonna be in here. Come down. So it's bicep right here. It's not gonna be too muscular, so we're just coming straight down. And for the elbow area, we can actually close that off. Lower arm, we're gonna flare out slightly. This one's gonna turn. This one's gonna come in. Close that off. And then for his fist, just a little hook. Back of the fist, turn it, close it. And let's add a dagger on this hand. So it's really easy. We just draw a circle inside here. And then on this side, just draw 2 lines, one shorter, and then connect that. Okay, and then adding 1 strap here, and then 1 more line right above the elbow. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Here's the armpit, shoulder coming down, bicep, close it off. Same thing here, flare out. This one's slightly curved and this one's straight. Close it. And then this one's just a fist, so we'll add a little hook. Back of the fist and then turn and close. So same kind of detail here, we're gonna add 1 strap. Same thing here, 1 line. Okay, so that's the upper body, and let's move on to the lower legs. So let's see, it's got a little bit more cloth in here, so I'm just gonna add 1 little line across. Okay, so come down in the middle, draw a little line like this first. Come to the side here. Legs coming down. Close it off. And then it's got a little knee pad here. So bracket, close it off. Alright, so let's draw the other side first. Coming down. Back to the middle here. So use the other side for reference. Bracket. Close it. And then for the detail on the knee pads here, it's really easy. We just draw 2 lines. And then we'll add in 2 circles up on the top. So same thing here. Alright, and then his lower leg's really easy. Let's see. His pants a little bit bunched up here, so we're just gonna draw like a little bracket with an angle. Close it off. And then lower leg, I go straight down. Close it. Dome shape coming down, and then go out a little bit more on this side. And then we'll just close that off. Alright, so same thing on the other side, little bracket. Close it. And then we're gonna continue this. Make it a little skinny. Dome shape coming down. Go out a little bit more on this side and then close it off. Alright, so that's the full body, and let's add in the little crow that he has. So I'm just gonna draw it right here. And it's gonna be a little bit smaller. Okay, so right over his shoulder here, just drawing like a little, this is gonna be the belly. And it's gonna go behind it. So let's draw one curve like this first, and then here's the back. This one's a little bit straighter. And then for his head and neck, this one's gonna come up. Just hook it down. It's gonna be his beak. And we'll come back up here, here's his neck. And then to finish off the head and beak, we just kind of connect that. So we'll keep it really simple. I guess we can add a little dot there for the eye. And then if you want, we can add in just a couple of these feathers. Make it look like a bird, I guess. And then for his leg, we're just gonna draw 2 little sharp lines going down to his shoulder. And that is it for this very strange looking character, Bloodhound, from the new game Apex Legends. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.